Chinese tech giant Xiaomi is currently actively developing an electric car, and a new leak for this car is on the agenda. In case you missed it, Xiaomi received approval from the National Development and Reform Council, NDRC, in China last month for its SU7 electric car model. The NDRC is the state that makes or clears new investments in China's auto industry, and Xiaomi's say here gave it the green light to put its first car into production. Thanks to the latest information, we learned that the company will start production for its first electric model. In fact, it is known that the company is currently producing about 50 cars per week, which it uses for road tests and is in the testing phase to eliminate all the problems in the production process. Most recently, it was claimed that the car, called MS11 within the company, could be launched on the market under the name Xiaomi Modena at the end of the year. The other day, it was confirmed that the car will be sold under the name Xiaomi SU7, and specifically, there will be variations called SU7, SU7 Pro and SU7 Max. The car, which will be distinguished by the stylish design you see in the photos, will also carry a spoiler that can be hidden in the body, that is, it will be a sporty electric sedan. Previously, it was reported that only 3 different versions of the car were planned for release over time. Accordingly, one version will be based on a 400-volt based battery from BYD, one version will have an 800-volt based 101 kWh clean battery from CATL, and one version will adopt the EREV infrastructure. This version will have a 1.5-litre gasoline generator engine. It can also be turbo-assisted, which will increase the walking distance to about 1,000 kilometers by supplying energy to the battery. The details of this EREV model, which will be essentially electric, have yet to be determined. Xiaomi SU7 has 2 different power transmission systems. The rear-wheel drive version offers 220 kilowatts, 295 horsepower, while the all-wheel drive version offers 495 kilowatts, 663 horsepower. Xiaomi SU7 measures 4,997 mm in length, 1,963 mm in width, 1,455 mm in height and 3,000 mm in wheelbase. This will make it a direct competitor to the likes of the Zeekr 007, which came out 2 days later. The Xiaomi SU7 has sensors and cameras on multiple surfaces, including the side mirrors and front fenders. This actually gives us hints that the car is equipped with advanced driver assistance technologies. We also see that there are cameras in the B-pillars. In this context, it is likely that the facial recognition system and high-level autonomous driving are used to open the doors on the Xiaomi SU7. Within the framework of cooperation, electric cars will be produced at the factory of the Chinese company BAIC. Interestingly, BAIC is also a shareholder in Mercedes-Benz and owns a 10% stake in the German manufacturer, which brings with it an interesting connection with the claim that Mercedes designers are also on the design team for this electric car.